Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. It's just me here today, but I've got a bit of an interesting one that we have to admit we weren't expecting to see, but it's a pleasant surprise nonetheless. I'm talking about the 1 ounce silver Kangaroo bar from the Perth Mint. The reason we weren't sure if we'd see this is because it's not something that Perth always produce every year. They normally leave the cheaper 1 ounce spotlight on their Kangaroo coins. But in the past, after their production of the 1 ounce Dragon, they often have some leftover rectangular blanks, and they produce these lovely Kangaroo bars. These are bars, not coins, as they do not have a face value. Perth Mint has been rather swamped over the last few years, so we're never really sure if we're going to get a batch of these or not. This year, however, though, there's a few coins that have been delayed because they're awaiting clearance from Treasury to produce. And obviously this is speculation and not confirmed by the Mint, we suspect that they thought they'd use their time to produce some of these very popular non-legal tender bars that they don't have to wait around for clearance for. You've got the Perth Mint logo on one side with its weight and purity stamped on there and some circles going around it, and then over on the other side you've got the same styled kangaroo patterning as what they have on their gold minted bars. I've got some good news and bad news on these ones though, I'm afraid. Starting with the bad news, which is that I've actually just rescued this tube from buybacks, as it's the same design every year and we don't actually have a delivery of them as of yet, as they've only just released today. And yes, we haven't received as yet. So it'll be a pre-order situation, and I'll pop that link down below. The good news is though that they're an absolutely great product at a great price. They come in even cheaper than the Kangaroos and are a great way to get internationally recognized silver in that individual ounce form. So let us know what you think of these guys down in the comments below. I'll put a link to the product page so you can check them out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.